Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. Today I'm gonna talk about a really easy 2 ingredients only cocktail, which you might already made it in the past and didn't know the name of it. Like me, or unlike me, you know the name. So basically, if you ever mixed orange juice with vodka, well done, you have a cocktail for yourself and it's called a screwdriver. Funnily, there is some stories about it, where the cocktail names come from. So back in the day, in 1940s, it is said that the American workers in China and Turkey, they because they weren't used to the taste of vodka, which was a neutral spirit, they mixed it with orange juice. And that's where screwdriver was first made. Legend has it, the American oil workers back in Persian Gulf, when they were on the rig, they didn't always have a spoon, but they always carried a screwdriver in their pocket. So they started mixing their orange juice, maybe a spiked version of it with vodka, with a screwdriver, and that's where the name of it comes from. But who knows? Maybe it is true, maybe it is not. So, but anyway, let's go and make this easy peasy cocktail. What you need to do is obviously a glass, your vodka, and orange juice. But you might say, why do I have it in this bottle? But yeah, I normally store my orange juice in this milk bottles, which I had them previously, fresh milk delivered to my flat. But yeah, it looks nicer. So yeah, let's crack on and make the cocktail. Give me some time. Okay, I've got my ingredients. I need to go and bring some ice. I'm back with my ice. Let's go and make this cocktail. First, you need to pour some ice. Then you need to grab your jigger. So basically this is a 1:2 ratio of vodka to orange juice. I'm gonna use my Polish vodka. I used it before in my videos. This is a gift from a dear friend, which I'm gonna use it for this cocktail as well. So I added 60 ml of vodka, and I'm gonna add now 120 ml orange juice. And to make it look nicer, I'm gonna garnish it with orange. You can just skip this, but like it gives a good flair if you like it. So I'm just gonna cut a veg out. I hope I'm not gonna make a mess. Hopefully not. Let's see if I can take this one out. Oh, actually, this isn't a normal orange. I've got blood orange from the fridge. So even better, it's gonna look nicer. I'm gonna just drop it there and give it a swirl. And yeah, easy cocktail. You can make it any second. Probably you already have a vodka and orange juice somewhere laying in your fridge. So yeah, if in a hot weather, I think this is a really nice, easy one. And yeah, you can impress your guests by adding just a blood orange veg rather than a normal orange. But yeah, that's that. Let's taste it. Ooh. Yeah, it was strong. It is strong. So it's nice. Try it, definitely. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you heard of the name before, because I didn't know this cocktail has a name. Obviously, I'm a newbie to the cocktail word, but yeah, it's nice. I liked it. And easy to make. You don't need fancy stuff to make this one. This is nice. So one more time, let's go over the recipe. For the classic ratio, you need 60 ml of vodka and then 120 ml of fresh orange juice and ice. What you need to do, you need to just simply fill your glass with ice, pour your vodka, then top it up with your OJ, give it a gentle stir, and garnish it with your orange veg, or in my case, with the blood orange veg. And that's that, your screwdriver. If you learned anything new today, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you liked it, or if it's the first time you're gonna make it. We're the Tipsy Duo. I'm gonna come back with more tales, and yeah, easy peasy cocktail for you. Cheers.